Most people think they know how to make money online, but in 2025, most are still stuck trying things that don't work. This video will show you 7 simple ways that actually work right now. You don't need a lot of money, you don't need followers, you just need to start. I'm Alex. Let's break it down step by step. Way number 1, get paid to write simple words. If you can write things that make people click or buy, you can get paid. Not long essays, just short things like emails, Instagram captions, product descriptions. Businesses need help writing things that sell. This is how you do it. Start by looking at ads online. Try writing your own version. Use ChatGPT to help you improve. Go to websites like Upwork or Fiverr and offer to write ads, emails, or product blurbs. One good job can turn into regular money. Way number 2, sell digital products you make once. You don't need to be famous to sell online. You can make simple digital products that people want, like planners, to-do lists, or templates. This is how you do it. Go to Canva or Notion and make something useful. Put it on Etsy or Gumroad for sale, then share it in Facebook groups, Pinterest, or Reddit. Make it once, sell it again and again. Way number 3, earn by recommending helpful tools. This is called affiliate marketing, and it still works. You share tools or products, and when someone buys through your link, you earn money. But don't just drop links. This is how you do it. Make a simple free guide or checklist to help someone solve a problem. Inside that guide, include your links to tools that help. Use a free website or landing page builder like Systeme.io. Send helpful emails, not spam. Help first, sell second. Way number 4, YouTube without showing your face. Yes, you can make money on YouTube, even if you never show your face. People care about the video, not who made it. This is how you do it. Pick a topic people search for, like money tips, AI tools, or how to focus better. Write a short script. Use tools like Pictory or HeyGen to turn it into a video. Post once a week. Use YouTube Shorts to get views faster. You earn from ads, and you can add product links to earn even more. Way number 5, get paid to edit. TikTok short videos are everywhere, but most people don't know how to edit them. If you can edit fast, you can make money. This is how you do it. Learn one editing style, like fast cuts, big captions, zooms. Use apps like CapCut Pro or VN. Offer to make 5 or 10 TikTok or Instagram videos for small business owners. They'll pay you to make their videos look good, especially if you're quick. Way number 6, make money from TikTok without selling your own product. You don't need your own product to earn on TikTok. You can become an affiliate for TikTok Shop. This is how you do it. Find products on TikTok Shop that are trending. Make a short video showing the product or talking about it. Use popular sounds. Post daily. When someone buys through your video, TikTok pays you a commission. Way number 7, teach something online with AI help. People still buy online courses, but only if it solves a clear problem. You don't need to be an expert, just teach something you already know. This is how you do it. Use ChatGPT to help you plan your course and write the lessons. Record using slides and your voice, or even an AI voice. Sell it on Teachable or Gumroad. Give away a free mini lesson to get people interested. If your course helps them, they'll share it, and sales will grow. You don't need to do all 7, just choose one. Start small, stay consistent. Most people fail because they try everything and finish nothing. And if you're under 25 and wondering where to begin, my next video is just for you. Side hustles for teens and college students that you can start even if you have 0 money or experience. Hit the bell. I'll see you there. We'll see.